To the right, we see our navigation bar. All buttons in the navigation bar have two functions. They have a press function and a press and hold function, which means if you, for example, want to access your job types, you press once in the top right corner. And if you want to select your project, you press and hold your finger on the same button, and then your project menu will appear. Furthermore, we have our map area. The map area is where you view your designs, surfaces, and background. You have the option to change views by swiping your finger either from right to left or from left to right, thereby browsing through the different views until you find the ones that suit you. At the top, we have our value boxes. The value boxes indicate the different values necessary to perform the job. In this case, they are set to a distance from the bucket edge to the surface. But you have the option to change them by clicking on one of the boxes, and in that way, enter the setup menu. Up here at the top, you have the option to select which respective box you want to edit. And by scrolling down through the menu, you have the option to activate the different functions you want to display. Among others, we have the one called Invisible. Invisible removes the box, allowing you to see more of your design. We also have one called Blank, so if you don't need 3 but only want 2 large fields, you can enable it, and then you will only have 2 boxes displayed.